Natalie Colgrove, and I am the owner of Star Shop Online, and I am selling a whole bunch of clothes for 10% off every purchase that you buy. You get 10% off every single, even though you don't see it on the website, on every product. That usually you see a little red circle thing or something on each whatever website you go to. You see a 10 or 20 or 50% off, but mine doesn't. But it is 10% off every item. What you do is you get that item and you purchase it, and you have to type in a coupon code on that purchase. And I've got it on my online store, on Star Shop Online on the homepage. And it is Star Blog 10. Now I have a whole bunch of clothes, but I had to get these. I had to get these. I have a dress that is, I have a small, medium, large. Red jacket. Now this mannequin right here, you can put either jacket you want on. I like the red jacket and the polka dot jacket. You can put whatever you color, pink, black, purple, it doesn't matter. And now the shirt, I like the shirt. You can get this shirt too. And it also comes in small, medium, large, but I can always order more sizes if you need it. Ask for extra large or extra large, 2 or 4, I can get it for you. And then I got some skirts, and a blue one, and I got a green skirt of the same material like the blue one. Oh, this is green. And I also got this black skirt right here. Now this mannequin I have right here, it has that black skirt I have. I'm not really good with doing bows. I have a horrible time with it. But I did a bow on the mannequin. And this right here, you can do your own bows in this dress skirt. And then this top. This mannequin also has the top on. And you can put you tie a bow on it. Here's those buttons, and then these ruffles. I love it. This also comes in small, medium, and large, extra large, and I have shawls. It doesn't come in sizes. It's a shawl, so right here, see how big the shawl is? All you have to do is put it around you like this. And you can wear it on a cold day or whatever comfortable to you. Right here. Alright. And then so it's 10% off from March 9th through April 16th. And I'm really excited about it. And I'm hoping I could make everybody happy about the discount, because I'm happy about it too. You know, go get it, wear it at church, all my clothes at church, or anywhere you like to go to. It doesn't matter. Here's the mannequin. It's got, oh yeah, did I show you a polka dot jacket? This is my favorite too. Let's see, that polka dot jacket, you can wear it. And I also, I make stuff. I can make brooches, candles, soaps, body stuff, like body spray, body wash, but it's going to come soon. It just takes time for me. But thank you so much for watching, and please, you're welcome to go to my store at Star Shop Online. It's online. .com, starshoponline.com, and everything's in there. I'm selling girl clothes, men clothes, and women's clothes. Boy clothes, I could never find what I like in boy clothes. But if anybody's selling things and make homemade like ties or something, let me know. Let me see it because I can buy it and sell it in my store. Doesn't matter what the color is, you know.